Morning guys, I'm currently heading towards the front of the resort to the bus stop there. Plan for today is I'm gonna head to Blizzard Beach this morning and do that water park just to tick it off. I then got 3 fast passes for Magic Kingdom this afternoon, so what I'm gonna do is once I'm done in the water park, I'm gonna come back to the resort, have a shower and then get the bus back over to Magic Kingdom. I'm heading to the front of the resort because that's the only place the bus actually picks up for the water parks. All the other, like the main parks, pick up from the various bus stops, but water parks you have to go to the front of the building. So yeah, I'm heading there now. I've already had breakfast and I've been back in the room for about an hour getting my stuff ready for the water parks. And I started editing some of the videos that I've already recorded. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera away now because my arm's starting to get a little heavy because I have the bag on that shoulder as well. And I will catch up with you guys once I'm at Blizzard Beach. So I made it to Blizzard Beach. Once again, I'm gonna lock up this camera and switch to my other one. So I'm gonna go do that now, and I will see you once I've made the swap. So I found somewhere to just sit down. I bought half a dozen donuts, so I'm going to enjoy these and then I'll catch up with you guys once I'm done. Hey guys, so I'm done with Blizzard Beach now. I'm making my way along the bus stops, head back to the resort. I'm going to grab a shower while I'm there and switch up my bags. I'm then going to make my way over to Magic Kingdom, hopefully in time for the Festival Fantasy Parade. I'm also hoping to get over to the Contemporary again only because they had like pressed quarters that I need. I didn't have any quarters at the time when the change machine weren't working. So yeah, I'm gonna head and do that now. Hopefully I'll be able to get the quarters and hopefully I'll catch the parade. I'm gonna make a move because I think my bus is here, so I'll catch you guys when I'm ready to read the resort. So I made it back to the resort. I'm now heading over to my building. I'm gonna grab a quick shower, change out my bags, head for Magic Kingdom, and I will see you guys once I'm in the park. So I must have just taken the quickest shower ever. I was in and out of my room within 15 minutes because mousekeeping once again were about on my row of rooms. So I wanted to get in and out quickly. I'm walking over towards the Cabanas side of the resort, and they have like a little beach with hammocks, which I didn't realise. I didn't really come over this part when I wandered around. So yeah, but yeah, the only reason I was heading over this way was because I wanted to fill up my mug and get a drink before I head to the park. And the closest bus stop to the dig site quick service is actually bus stop 4, which is by the Cabanas. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the bus stop now and I'll pick up with you guys once I get up to Magic Kingdom. Hey guys, so I made it into Magic Kingdom. I'm now heading down Main Street towards the castle, and I've got an hour until the parade starts, so I don't know whether to just go find a spot and hang out, or try and do a ride. I'm going to see what rides are available first and decide from there. So I'll let you guys know.
It is I, Georgette Washington, and I cannot tell a lie. I look fabulous!
Hey guys, so I've gained another set of mini ears, the Haunted Mansion ones, because I did want to get these when I arrived, but they didn't have them anyway, but they came back into stock yesterday I think, so I picked them up now. I'm now going to grab a spot, just wait out for the parade, because everybody's already starting to sit down. So yeah, I'm going to grab a spot for the parade. I'm going to try and film as much of it as I can, and I will see you guys after the parade. Hey guys, I found a spot for the parade. It's in front of where the Muppet show is and dead opposite EO Christmas shop. I like it because although it's hot and directly in the sun and the other side's more shaded, I can sit against the railings. It's quite nice, and it is hot, but I'm going to put this over my legs now to cool them down. And obviously I've already got my hat on my head, so yeah, I'm going to wait up for the parade. I'm going to try and film where I can, and I'll see you guys once the parade is over. So as you saw, I did see the parade. I've only put little clips in of it because I don't want to get flagged by YouTube, but I did film the entire parade. A lot of the characters actually waved at my camera when they saw it, which was quite nice. I'm currently sat on a wall near Splash Mountain, waiting on my fast pass for Pirates. It is a hot one today. I've got both the cooling towel on and I've been using my spray, and neither are working or they're not lasting long. And Splash Mountain, which is the only water ride in the park, is currently the second longest wait line of the day, so you can just tell how hot everybody's getting. Yeah, so I'm going to wait it out here for a bit now until my fast pass is ready. I'm going to try and find another water fountain to top up my mug, something I could do with a drink, and obviously when it's hot like this it's really important to stay hydrated. So yeah, I'm gonna wait it out, I'm gonna sit on the bench or the wall for a little while, and I'll catch up with you guys probably once I get off Pirate. Hey guys, so I just got off Pirates. I'm now making my way back to Main Street. My next fast pass is for Space Mountain, which obviously is Tomorrowland. I'm gonna go use one of my snack credits to get a drink because I need something with ice in. I really want soda. Actually, if I remember correctly, there's a place around here that has root beer float, so I might get one of them. But yeah, I'm gonna head towards Main Street. I'm starting to cool down a little bit because I bought another one of these. But I find if I wrap one around my wrist and one around my neck, it actually helps me cool me down. But then I just come off Pirates, which is very air conditioned, so that could be it. But yeah, I'm gonna put the camera away now because it's getting a little busy. And I'll catch up with you guys as soon as I can. So, change of plans. Where I was going to go for the root beer float actually has a huge line, and I'm not standing in line for a drink. So I'm going to see if there's anything over in Tomorrowland and see if I have a bit more luck over there. I just want something cold. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once I've found something. Hey guys, so I made it over to Tomorrowland. I went in and grabbed these and got a chocolate milkshake, just because I don't think you can get colder than that drink wise. I'm going to enjoy this now, and then I'm going to go on Space Mountain, guys. So I just got off Space Mountain. I'm now going to head out of the park and over to Contemporary to try and get those press quarters. I've got like 90 minutes to my next fast pass anyway, so it just gives me something to do to kill the time. I'm going to do Big Thunder Mountain then, which is my third fast pass for the afternoon, and then grab something to eat. So I will pick up once I get over to Contemporary.
You aboard our Highway in the Sky and hope you've enjoyed the Magic Kingdom. We are traveling to Disney's Contemporary Resort. During our travels, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you.
Hey guys, so I've been to Contemporary. I then got back on the monorail and headed over to the Polynesian, which I'm leaving now. It's kind of behind me, you can kind of see it. I'm now taking a walk around Seven Seas Lagoon along the path to the Grand Floridian, just because it's easier than waiting for the monorail again. From there, I'm going to try and get some more press pennies there if I can. I got some in the Polynesian, as well as the quarter ones in the Contemporary. If I can't, or if I do, whichever way, I'm then going to possibly get the monorail back over to Magic Kingdom, or maybe the boat. I don't know yet, I haven't quite decided, but either way, I'm going to, once I'm done with the Grand Floridian, I'm going to head back to Magic Kingdom, because I still have about 45 minutes to my fast pass, Big Thunder Mountain, so I'm going to do these, go to Big Thunder Mountain, and then grab something to eat. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. So I picked up some more press pennies in Grand Floridian. This resort is insane, and I still say if I ever win the lottery, I'm going to stay here. But that's probably never going to happen, so where a girl can dream. Yeah, so I've decided to catch the boat over to the Magic Kingdom, just so I can tick off all the modes of transport for Disney. I will pick up the camera again once I'm in the park. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so I made it back to Magic Kingdom. I'm now going to make my way over to Big Thunder Mountain because my fast pass starts in about 5 minutes anyway. So yeah, I'm going to go do that. Obviously I'm going to put my camera and my glasses in my bag because I don't want to lose them. And then going to go grab food. I'm thinking Harbour House, like it's not that far from the mountain. And I really fancy the chicken pot pie. So yeah. I'm going to do Big Thunder Mountain, and I will catch up with you guys when I'm having my food. Okay guys, so I've done Thunder Mountain and I've eaten. While I was in the queue for Thunder Mountain, I actually mobile ordered for Harbour House. I had the chicken pot pie with fries. Now, I do like the filling of the chicken pot pie, but I'm not a big fan of the pastry, so it's kind of a waste of money for me, because the pastry makes up a lot of it, obviously. It's still good, and I'd still get it, it's not that expensive, and I'm on the dining plan anyway, but yeah, it feels like a bit of a waste because I leave all of the pastry from the pie. But yeah, so I've had my food, I'm still drinking the drink. I'm now head this way. So I'm now heading towards Main Street and the castle because there's about 40 minutes until the fireworks start. So I'm going to go find a spot. I'm not going to film it this time, I want to enjoy it because I don't know if I'm going to stick around Friday for it. I'm going to try, but I can't guarantee. Plus with all the crowds it's kind of hard to film anyway. I can usually film once upon a time, but never. It's very rare to get happily ever after. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to enjoy that, and I will catch up with you guys tomorrow when we go to Epcot.